Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install AN in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. AN is a software packaging system development by Facebook for Node.js JavaScript runtime environment that is provides speed, stability, and security as alternative to NPM. So we are going to install it. Okay, so just go to the Anyway browser and here just type AN and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the anpkg.com. It is an official website of AN. Open that website. Okay, package manager, open that, and here is our AN. Here we find get started. Just click on get started. Here we find introduction, and here is our installation. You can directly install from here. And if you not install Node.js and NPM, and then I give the video in the YouTube description, just watch that video and just install Node.js and NPM. Okay, go to the YouTube description and just watch that video. Okay, and we are going to install AN now. Okay, here we find our installation. Just install from here, or the simple way is just go to the here classicanpackage.com. Just click at here. Okay, now this website is open. Here we find get started and install AN. Just go to the install AN. Okay, and just scroll down. Here we find classical installation. Okay, just go to the your terminal or the CMD and just type npm install YAN. Okay, global YAN. Okay, the alternative is here is the alternative. Just expand this. Just click at here, and here we find .exe file or setup file. Okay, just go to the operating system. Just select your operating system. Here we find version. Just select your version. I'm going with the latest version. Always go with the latest version. And here we find installer. It is an .msc file. Okay, just go to the download installer. Okay, now our installation is started. Now just go to the show all, show in a folder. Okay, drag this file to desktop. Okay, now just double click on it. Now click on the next, accept the terms and condition. Just read the agreement and accept the terms and condition. Okay, click on the next, go with the default location, click on the next, and just click on the install and click on the yes, and installation complete in 1 and 2 minutes. Okay, 1 and 2 in a few seconds. Okay, now just click on the finish. Okay, now we check our AN is installed or not. That is very easy and simple. Now just go to the start, just as cmd, just click on the command prompt. Here we find, just type AN space hyphen V and hit enter key on your keyboard. Here we find version number of AN. Our AN is successfully installed on our Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.